Okay, so now your screencast is complete. When you're finished, there is a pause button that's going to be in the left bottom corner. If you just click on that pause button, you could continue. You may need to pause for various reasons, but let's say you're done. You're going to click done on your video. The screencast window is going to pull up, and there's various ways that you can save your video. You can save the video like on your computer. You can upload it to Screencast. You may have to create a login if you choose that, or you can upload to YouTube. I have a YouTube channel. I can easily upload to YouTube. Lots of times though, I will choose to save it on my computer because I just like having that backup file actually on my computer. So that's what I'm going to choose now. I can change the name of my recording to whatever I want to name it. Just by clicking on that, it will pull up the file name and you can change that. You can change where you want to put it. I have mine defaulted to desktop. That's just an easy place for me to be able to find any video that I make. Then I can move it to wherever I want to. You can browse if you would like to choose somewhere else for that video to go. You can also choose to turn your cursor off if you want to. The cursor's used in a lot of how-to videos, so if you don't want your mouse movements to be tracked with a cursor, you can turn that off or leave it on, just whatever you choose to do. And then I am going to click on Publish. I just did a very short little video here, so it's not going to take that long. If your video is long, obviously it's going to take a little bit longer for it to show up. And then I'm going to click on OK. And I can close this. And right there on my desktop where I saved it is the video that I just downloaded.